So, if you've always been wondering if Latin dancing is right for you, or if even Latin solo is your thing, well, that's what this video is about. In this video, we will be doing an introduction to Salsa Solo. Hi everyone, my name is Zian and I am from Danza Latina. I am a dance teacher specializing in Latin solo, which is Latin dancing without a partner. Now, in our Latin solo courses, we take steps from the Latin dance partner work, which means that you can not only use the same steps for the Latin solo dancing, you can also dance them in the Latin partner work when you're ready to dance with a partner. The difference is that the steps from the Latin partner will be modified to fit solo dancing because there are some steps which are more suitable only for partner dancing. But we can take those steps, modify them so that it's perfect for solo dancing. And also our handwork will be much more extravagant because you're more free to dance as a solo dancer. So in this video, we're going to be learning the Salsa Basic for the LA Salsa. So we're going to begin the first part of this video in mirror image style. So this is my left, but it will be your right. This is my right, but this will be your left. So whatever you do, just follow me in mirror image style. Now remember that a musical bar is expressed in counts up to 8. For example, when you count a musical bar, it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then we go into the next bar, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. For the LA Salsa, we'll be dancing on the 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. So on the 4 and the 8, it's quiet, it's a hold, you don't have to do anything. So ladies, remember that we always begin our moves with our right foot. Just remember it this way, ladies are always right. So, a general rule of thumb in Latin dancing is that the right foot always goes back and the left foot always goes forward. Now, let's begin. What you're going to do is you're going to step back with your right foot on your 1. You're going to come back on your left foot on 2 and take another step forward with your right on 3. The 4 is a hold. A hold here means that you just pause and you don't have to do anything. Just keep that step. On your 5, you're going to step forward with your left foot. On your 5, step back onto your right on 6, another step back on 7, hold your 8. So another way you can think of it is just going back and forward, forward and back. Matching the numbers of 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Like this. So you're going to go back and forward, forward and back. Back and forward, forward and back. With numbers, it would be 1, 2, 3, hold 4, 5, 6, 7, hold 8. 1, 2, 3, hold 4, 5, 6, 7, hold 8. So, in LA Salsa, because we generally don't do any steps on the 4 and 8, we normally don't say those numbers. So when we count the steps out with the numbers, we generally don't say the 4 and 8 like this. So you're going to go 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Do it with me. Let's try together. Going 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. A little faster now. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to face that way so that it's easier for you to copy my movements from the back. Let's try that again. Starting with your right foot, you're going to go, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to count in this way. I'm going to say 5, 6, 7, 8. Then you start immediately on the next one. Like this. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Keep going. 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Good job, you girls. Keep going. 1, 2, 3, 5. Last one. 1, 2, 3, and 5, 6, 7. So if you're wondering what to do with your hands, don't worry about your hands for the time being. Let's worry about your footwork first. So, because what you want to do is you want to match the steps to rhythm. If you can't even get your steps right, trying to do your hands is completely pointless. Otherwise, you might as well just stand there and just do this. Right? So don't worry about your hands. Let's just focus on the footwork first. So the steps are pretty simple, but if you're a beginner, trying to coordinate your movements to the music can be quite challenging. So that's why let's just focus on doing the basics right first. What we're going to do now is we're going to dance the basic to a complete song. Although you may think that, we're just doing one step or one whole song, trust me, if you're a beginner, trying to just match those steps to the rhythm is going to be quite challenging, and sometimes halfway you might get confused and then your foot goes in the wrong direction somewhere, and then you know you've got the wrong weight transfer on a different feet. So if you want to progress in dancing, you've got to get the basic right first, and you've got to get the rhythm right. So an excellent way to do that is just to practice this very simple basic to a full song. And this will enable you to be able to get used to the steps and get used to the music. And once you get so used to this, learning another step will just be a piece of cake. So what I'm going to do for the first part of our practice is to face you this way. So I'm going to be dancing with you in mirror image. Then what I'm going to do is I'm going to turn to face that way, and you just follow me from behind. Now whatever happens, don't stop. Even if I stop, just keep dancing your salsa basic with your right foot back and left foot forward. So I will also be changing halfway through to face your mirror image again to just engage with you. But whatever happens is don't stop. Whatever I'm doing here, just keep dancing your salsa basic. Just get used to the movements and match it to the rhythm. We're going to be playing a slow salsa piece so that you really get used to matching the 1, 2, 3s and 5, 6, 7 to the salsa song.
Ocurrió en la capital, me robaron el piano, no me lo puedo explicar, es que yo nunca robé. ¿Por qué me pasa esto a mí? Cuando encuentre al culpable, si lo llego a encontrar, trataré de buscar la forma castigar y así hacerle entender que los que roban hacen mal. Porque robando a la gente jamás podrás comprender que lo que hemos construido nunca lo vas a tener. Si tú no tienes principios, te dedico esta canción.
our lady salsa basic of our salsa solo practice. So if you haven't quite got the hang of the steps or the rhythm yet, just run through this video a few more times, practice dancing until you get used to it. And once you get quite used to the salsa basic, it's very easy for you to pick up the other salsa steps. If you want to try with other salsa songs, just check out this list which I have compiled of different salsa songs, including slow salsa songs suitable for beginners all the way to very fast ones for the advanced dancers. If you like this video, remember to click like and subscribe to my YouTube channel to get notifications on when new videos are released, including free dance tutorials, just like this one, as well as information about dance that I'll be sharing. Thank you for watching. Stay home, stay safe, and stay healthy. If you enjoyed the Salsa Solo, you can purchase our Salsa Solo Level 1 set for only 30 ringgit. In this video set, you will learn 4 salsa beginner figures, plus techniques to make you more graceful, common mistakes to avoid, as well as a simple choreography you can use to dance to any salsa song.